well, actually it's evening, but to most of my people, or most of the people who know me, this is JP Modified. Just received a care package from In Win. It's the In Win DFrame. I haven't opened this. I just wanted to share with you guys the excitement I had in receiving this package. Took a while. Took a lot of arguing and haggling with DHL, but eventually I got it. Thanks again. Shout out to Catherine Chai for sending over this beautiful case. Now, I really want to take a look at this box with you guys a little bit more, but I'm pretty sure you won't be as interested in looking at the box than seeing what's inside. So, I'd like to go ahead and open this instead. DHL. I'm in my kids' room, so sorry if I couldn't set up an appropriate backdrop for this unboxing, but so here are some paperwork I just tore to pieces. Let's see. Moment of silence. I'll open this. Alright, here we go. Okay, first off, let's start with what came out of the box first. Here's a beautiful colored manual. Glossy paper, like a magazine. Very premium stuff you see right here. Comes with whatever this is. Okay, these are cable mounts for your cable management at the back of the case. Comes with standoff screws, that standoff screw tool, some screws, and more screws, and comes with some, oh, some cloth. I'm assuming this is for wiping down the tempered glass that this case has. So awesome. This is beautiful. Alright. Taking a look further, you will see that it is packed in styrofoam, obviously. Alright, so technically working with one hand right now because my other hand is numb. Let's open this up. There's nothing inside the box anymore. This kind of foam is the kind of foam that kind of ensures better or safer transit, I guess. Safer, yeah, safety, safer safety of what it's trying to protect. Other than that, other kind of styrofoam, I really don't know what you call that. Let's get this one. Wow, this is a little or a big pouch. That's normally what you could find with high-end power supplies. They usually, this type of cloth is what they use for packing the extra cables. Alright. Oh. And here's the DFrame. This is beautiful. Oh dear Lord. This is such a beautiful case. Pure aluminum, anodized. Oh, my hands are dirty. Yeah, just did a lot of work today, as usual. Oh my. Tinted window. Tapered glass. the back and the side. I think I'm holding this upside down, but I think in this case it doesn't matter. Here's the appropriate way. I forgot what you call this type of engraving in aluminum, but you know, it's supposed to be there to help you, you know, grip this case a little bit more. I'd really want to open this, but my hands are okay. Screw it. I'll open it anyway. For you guys, I shall risk everything. This is beautiful. This is such a beautiful case. Such a beautiful case. So high quality. I don't know how much this case would cost, but I'm sure this will be worth every single penny that you guys pay to buy this. This is top-notch quality. I haven't. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is top-notch quality. Tempered glass. I don't know if you can see, but it says tempered glass. See, tempered glass right here. Tempered glass means that you should not mess around with it because it has a high temper and it'll get mad really easy. So yeah, tempered glass. Pretty much the same across here. Remove that. Another tempered glass. Let's see if the feels nice and slippery. Oh well, right now in all honesty, I'm out of words. This is such a beautiful case. I've seen a build done by Dan Harper, the Lumo Green, in this exact same case. Now that is a tall order. Looks like it's going to be really tough to beat. I'm not even gunning to beat that build, but just working with this case alone, such an honor. Can't wait to get started. Just waiting for the parts to put in this build actually. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all I can say for now. Out of words. Well, anyways, again, yeah, this is JP Modified. Have a good evening.